Is it the right time to buy or sell Google stock? In this video, we will delve deep into Google. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, December 12, 2023. Today, we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. Stay informed about any critical updates that could affect your investments. Improve your trading decisions with our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Harness the power of artificial intelligence and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since December 12, 2023, our system has ranked Google as a hold/accumulate, giving it a score of -0.62. Now, let's dive into the stock's performance during this period. The stock has experienced some ups and downs, but currently, it is showing no significant change with a loss of 0% since our initial hold/accumulate recommendation. The stock is currently following a wide and horizontal trend, indicating that it is likely to continue moving within this range. Based on the past 3 months, there is a potential -0.80% change in the stock's value over the next 3 months. This means that the stock could experience a return anywhere between -8.82% and 3.76%. Looking at the 12-month trend, there is a projected 56.71% change in the stock's value over the next year. This suggests a potential return between 52.65% and 77.19%, resulting in a price range of $204 to $236.79 after 12 months. The latest update for Google brings a headline stating that the Google stock has been upgraded to hold/accumulate. On the last day of trading, Tuesday, December 12, 2023, the Google stock price experienced a decrease of -0.787%, dropping from $134.70 to $133.64. This marks a decline for the third consecutive day. Throughout the trading day, the stock fluctuated by 1.28%, with a low of $132.83 and a high of $134.53. In the past 10 days, the price has fallen in 8 instances, resulting in a total decline of -3.59%. Notably, volume increased by 2 million shares on the last day, despite the falling prices. This could potentially indicate an early warning sign, with a slightly increased risk expected in the coming days. The total trading volume for this period amounted to 26 million shares, equating to approximately $3.52 billion. Looking at the past 52 weeks, the highest price observed for Google stock was $142.38, while the lowest price reached $85.57. Currently, the price is 6.14% or $8.74 below the 52-week high. Furthermore, it is 94.71% or $2,393.35 below the all-time high recorded on June 11, 2021, when the price reached $2,526.99. Today, let's talk about analyst ratings for Google, symbolized as Google. On Wednesday, October 25, 2023, a renowned firm called Needham gave Google a buy grade with a hold action. Another rating came in on Wednesday, July 26, 2023, from Susquehanna. They gave Google a positive grade with a hold action. KeyBank also shared its opinion on Wednesday, July 26, 2023. They gave Google an overweight grade with a hold action. JMP Securities, on Wednesday, May 24, 2023, gave Google a market outperform grade with a hold action. Lastly, on Thursday, May 4, 2023, Credit Suisse gave Google a neutral grade with a hold action. Analysts have given Google stock a general rating of buy. They rate the PE ratio as a strong buy and the price to book as strong buy. As for return on investment, the analysts give the stock a rating of neutral. Let's take a look at the signals for Google stock. The short-term moving average suggests a sell signal, while the long-term average indicates a buy signal. Since the short-term average is above the long-term average, we have an overall buy signal for the stock, which is positive for its forecast. If the stock continues to rise, it may face resistance from the short-term moving average at around $133.98. On the other hand, if the stock falls, it may find support from the long-term average at approximately $133.37. Breaking above the short-term average will trigger a buy signal, while breaking below the long-term average will trigger a sell signal. There are also some negative signals that have been observed, which could impact the short-term development of the stock. For instance, a sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Wednesday, November 22, 2023, resulting in a minus 4.56% decrease so far. It is expected to further decline until a new bottom pivot is identified. Additionally, the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD, currently indicates a sell signal. Yesterday, volume increased as prices fell, which could be an early warning sign that requires closer monitoring of the stock. Here are some other signals that might pique your interest. Moving average convergence divergence, we have a sell signal. Pivots, we received a sell signal 14 days ago. Bollinger, we observed a buy signal 32 days ago. Short-term moving average, a sell signal was generated 2 days ago. Long-term moving average, we saw a buy signal 5 days ago. The relationship between the short and the long moving averages, we received a buy signal 19 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we can observe the following. Short moving average, we received a sell signal 3 days ago. The long-term moving average, a sell signal was generated 2 days ago. The relationship between the short and the long moving averages, we observed a buy signal 185 days ago. Don't forget to visit our page at StockInvest.us for more signals. Let's talk about support, risk, and stop loss for Google's stock. Google's stock has some important support levels to keep in mind. Currently, there is support just below today's level at $126.67 and $123.44. Support levels are areas where the stock has previously found significant buying interest. If the stock breaks below a support level, it may continue to fall towards the next support level. So, in this case, if Google's stock breaks below $126.67, the next support levels to watch out for are at $123.44 and $123.40. Despite the potential risk of breaking support levels, it's worth noting that Google's stock is generally traded at a good volume and experiences minor daily price fluctuations. This means the risk associated with trading this stock is considered to be low. In fact, in the last day, the stock only moved $1.70, 1.28%, between its high and low points. Looking at the past week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 1.76%. Before we discuss the potential trading levels for Google, let's start with some important fundamental information. Firstly, let's talk about the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This ratio measures a company's current share price in relation to its per-share earnings. In the case of Google, the PE ratio is within a normal range. This is often seen in companies with established track records and consistent revenues. Moving on to other news, the next earnings report for Google's fourth quarter of 2023 is scheduled for February 1, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates for this report stand at $1.60. It's important to keep an eye on these figures, as they can significantly impact stock prices. Today, let's dive into some potential day trading levels for Google. If the stock is on an upward trend, the first resistance level to watch out for is at $138.30. If you're considering entering a position, it may be wise to wait for this level to be breached. For those who already own shares, this could be a great opportunity for swing trading. On the other hand, if Google experiences a downward movement, its initial support level is at $126.67. If this support level holds, it could serve as a promising entry point, with the expectation of a rebound. The average rating for Google, according to multiple analyst sources, is a buy. Now, let's delve into some recent insider trades. On December 11, 2023, Hennessy John L. sold 101 shares of Class C capital stock. On December 11, 2023, Hennessy John L. sold 99 shares of Class C capital stock. On December 6, 2023, Pichai Sundar sold 14,769 shares of Class C capital stock. On December 6, 2023, Pichai Sundar sold 7,731 shares of Class C capital stock. On December 1, 2023, GV 2023 GP, LLC bought 0 shares of common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, the calculated insider power ratio is -8.667, indicating a negative trend. Overall, insiders have purchased 1,485,261 shares and sold 1,758,706 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss for this stock is set at $128.54, which represents a decrease of 3.82%. This particular stock experiences low daily movements, which translates to a lower risk for investors. We have identified a sell signal from a pivot top that occurred 13 days ago. Is it worth investing in Google stock? While Google currently has some negative signals, it also has the potential for a turnaround. Considering this, it can be seen as a hold candidate or even an opportunity to accumulate more shares while waiting for further developments. Our analysis conclusion for this stock has been upgraded from a sell to a hold/accumulate candidate. After examining the volatility and movements of the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For Wednesday, December 13th, we anticipate Google to open with a gain of $0.0267 and start trading at $133.67. Before we begin, it's important to remember that trading carries a high risk of financial loss. It's always advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any buying or selling decisions regarding securities. Please note that StockInvest.us should not be the sole basis for your investment choices. By utilizing the information provided, you acknowledge and accept full responsibility for your own investment decisions. We'd love to hear your thoughts on our current view of the stock. Please comment below and share your opinions. What is your target for this stock? Remember to like and subscribe to our channel for more trading insights. We hope you have a successful trading experience and enjoy a beautiful day. Best regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.